Right, I've decided, rather rashly, to hike up to the castle to try and photograph the tornado flyover today, and I'm already regretting it. I've only just started on the golf course. Oh well, it's all downhill on the way back, I suppose. But yeah, whew. Steep. Okay, so so I made it up, but I need oxygen or a defibrillator, one of the two. Loads of people up here. Looks like good fun. I've matched up with a couple of photographers, so hopefully we're pointing in the right direction. I'm going to put the Yi-Lite on the thing, you know, and just switch it on when anything happens. Wish us all luck. Yeah, well, I got them, not brilliant, and fly past. Well, you know, I could have done it on Castlefields Green, but I don't know whether it would have been the same. Those photographers going past, mildly disappointed. But yeah, happy days really. Got some kind of footage. That's all I count.